Hi friends, welcome again. My name is Kishore and in this video I am going to guide you about MySQL root password recovery on the AWS Lightsail. Bitnami is their provider for the WordPress and other installations. So let's start. So in first step, you have to connect with your AWS Lightsail using the terminal. When you connect, you will see this welcome screen, welcome output from the SSH connection. It's saying that Bitnami is connected, and by default, it will land you on the root of the home directory. On the home directory, if you list all the files, you will see there is a file Bitnami application password. So you just have to type this command get Bitnami application password and enter, and it will show you the MySQL root password. This is the MySQL root password. You can use that password to connect your MySQL root, and it is using the terminal. I hope you like that video, and I, okay, thanks.